Hello, Internet. I was a little surprised to learn that a lot of people still don't know how to enter a Lyft promo code to get themselves some free ride credit. So I'm going to show you how in this video very quickly. Important thing to remember is you have to enter the code before you request your first ride, okay? So you open your menu on the top left. That'll slide open. So open the menu, go down to Promos, the Promos tab. And then you just type in a code. I'll give you a couple different codes you can try. Keep in mind this needs to be your first ride. So if you've already taken a ride, you could give this code to a friend. Pink Love is one of them. But notice it's not going to work for me because I've already taken rides before with Lyft. Been with Lyft for over 5 years. So if you like that one, that's a good one. Another one you could try, More Coffee. It's a fun code, right? You could do that one. Again, it's not going to work for me. Once in a while, if you've been a rider with Lyft for a while, once in a while they will email you promos, like especially in major cities. So you could try things like just keeping an eye out on your email. Be sure you're subscribed because sometimes they'll throw you like discounts, things like that. French fries, that's another one that works. You know what else? Imagine Dragons. I got that one too. That code would work, but keep in mind it has to be your very first time using the code. All right, and then another little secret, you want to share with friends, so use those buttons on the bottom of the screen there to share with a friend. Your friend can use your unique rider code as a sign up, and they get a free ride, and they get a discounted ride, and you get some credit. All right, so don't forget, use the promos tab, get yourself some free ride credit. If you've only taken Uber or some other rideshare platform, or if you're new to taking rideshare, use any of these codes. And to make it easy, I put a link in the description below this video. Just tap that link and that'll instantly get you the ride credit. So on this YouTube video, look down in the description and you can see the link there. Tap on that and that'll get you started. All right, thanks for watching. Make it a great day. And if I helped you out, please subscribe. Helps me out and it's free. All right, thanks.